Bulking is a term used in bodybuilding and fitness to describe a phase of training and nutrition that is focused on gaining muscle mass and size. During a bulking phase, individuals consume a surplus of calories, usually through a diet that is high in protein and carbohydrates to support muscle growth. In order to build muscle mass, it's necessary to engage in strength training exercises such as weightlifting and to provide the body with sufficient nutrients to repair and build muscle tissue. The extra calories consumed during a bulking phase are intended to provide the body with the energy it needs to fuel these processes. The amount of weight gain during a bulking phase can vary depending on factors such as genetics, training intensity, and diet. Individuals may need to adjust their caloric intake and exercise regimen in order to achieve their desired results.